What's up, everyone? This is Scott from sleepandreview.com, coming to you from the Hilton at the Boston Logan International Airport. This is my hotel room, and I just turned that TV off, but it turned back on. And let's try this again. This remote doesn't work very well. Power button doesn't work. All right, we're not getting off to a very good start here. We'll deal with that later. So let's just focus on the room right now, which is, first impressions are okay. The bathroom is right here off the entrance. You've got a closet here, which I'll show you in a moment. Overall, the room is a decent size. It's a corner room, which I paid for an upgrade. I'll show you the view in a moment. It's really nice. But yeah, overall, it's a basic room. This is definitely a Hilton. And I must say that it even kind of smells like a Hilton. You know that chlorine bleach smell you always smell in these chain hotels? Well, that's exactly what I'm smelling now. And yeah, it's a Hilton. So let's just start here with the bathroom, I guess. Typical Hilton. Not a lot going on here. Big mirror, bright. Shower is not all that great, honestly. I was hoping for something a little bit more. Very basic. Looks like it hasn't been updated in a while. But you know what? I'm not a shower snob completely, so that'll work. Toilet works. At least I hope it works. We'll find out later. And yeah, that is the bathroom. Closet. Starting off, that's my stuff, as always. I dump my stuff there whenever I come into a hotel room. And we've got an ironing board, and yeah, it's a small closet, but doesn't matter because I don't have anything to hang up. So I got the room with the king bed. I believe that's a king bed. And one thing I'm noticing right away is how open this floor plan is. It's kind of a waste of space. It's almost like a suite almost. I mean, there's nothing going on there in the entryway. And then you come over here to the main room, which is huge. This would be a room, or a good room, for two people, not just a solo traveler such as myself. I've got a desk to get some work done, flimsy lamps, as expected. Nice to see USB ports there. An old phone from like 1989, maybe, possibly. And yeah, cabinetry here. Got some, I hope this is a refrigerator. It looks like a refrigerator. And yes, it is a refrigerator. And what else we got here? Got some drawers. Typical stuff, and they do give you free water. I got 2 free bottles of water there, and a Cuisinart coffee maker that looks like it's been used quite a bit. But yeah, anyway, this power button on this remote doesn't work. There we go. I guess you just got to be forceful with it. But yeah, overall, first impressions, not bad. I mean, it's kind of expensive for what you're seeing here. I don't even want to tell you how much I paid, but it was expensive. A lot more expensive than what you would get in downtown Boston, I'm sure. But anyway, let me show you this view. I am right at the airport. So there you go. Let me zoom in here a little bit. So let me just tell you the summary of what this room is. It's big, cheap, basic, and probably not worth what I paid for it. It hasn't been updated in a very long time, I can tell. All of the fixtures are extremely old. It doesn't look bad. It's definitely Hilton Airport Hotel-ish. And, it'll do. I like the proximity to the airport. That is really nice. I got a flight out tomorrow morning, so just being right here at the airport is going to be extremely convenient. And I guess, that's what you pay for when you pay for these ridiculous fees to stay at the Hilton Boston Airport Hotel. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this property, do leave them down in the comment section below. I've stayed here a couple times already. I know quite a bit. I'd be happy to help out. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.